Okay, everyone. We will use face recognition library. Yes or no? Actually, we are working on the project that is called attendance system using face recognition. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. So I will explain the project in two parts. The first part I will show you how face recognition works and how it can be used to load the files and how it can be used to find the location of the image. Location means this location. Okay. Next, how to find encodings. I will also explain what is encodings. And next, I will show you how we can compare the faces with the help of face recognition. All these things we have done with the help of OpenCV. Yes or no? Yes. So today we will explain face recognition. I hope everyone, yes? Encodings, I will explain. Yes. Now we have. Now audible? Yes. Now audible? Yes. Okay. So basically, I hope you all have installed face recognition library in your laptop. Yes or no? Yes. If you are not able to install this, take help of Rohit Kumar. Okay. So now you have to import these two libraries. One more library I have used, but this is not in use in my project. This project. So if you are not using any library, you have already imported the library, but you are not using the library in your program, then it will show like this. It's deactivated like this. Yes, sir? You can see. And if you are using the library, then it will get highlighted in blue color. Yes or no? Yes. So now see, first thing, since we are using image from the system to detect the or to match the faces. Yes or no? You can use camera also that I will show you in the next project. But right now I am taking two images. The first images will be the train image or the main image, and the second image will be test image. And we will match, we will compare the encodings of these two images, and we will show how it works. Clear? Yes, sir. So now first we have to take the first image. So I hope you already know how to make a directory in the system. Yes or no? Yes. You can also store the images in that directory. Yes or no? So I think you can have the directory with the name image or any name, and you can store some images in that directory or folder, you can say, or directory. So I have used business directory or the folder in which I have taken many images. Just I can show you. Just 1 minute. As you can see, visible. I think it is. Delay is there. Okay. So as you can see, this is business directory. I have already created, and there are 4 images in this library. Yes or no? Directory. Yes or no? So Elon Musk is there, Elon Test is there, Modi is there, and Modi Test is there. There are 4 images. You can also create directory and you can store some images. Here. So now, if you want to load this image or any image from this directory with the help of face recognition, then you have to use face recognition dot load image file. This is a function inside face recognition library. That's why I am using face recognition. So this is the library name or the module name, you can say. And inside this module, there is a function that is called load image file. You want to get all the information about the face recognition, you can just type or search on Google. Yes or no? Yes. You will get all the information, which kind of functions are there. Okay, and how we can use that function. So currently I am using load image file here, and the file that you want to load. So currently I am using image file. Yes or no? Yes. And I have to upload this image on here. So I have to give the path of this image inside this parenthesis under 444. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So now when you will run this code, then this image will be loaded in the variable that is called
ING.
Clear? In which form it will be stored? Anyone please tell me? Image format or pixel format or numpy format? In which format?
Pixel format.
Numpy format. As I told you that the OpenCV or CSV file, this is the pixel means actually value of pixels, but in the numpy format it is. Actually, the value of the image is or color you can use 0 to 50. Yes. Actually क्या होता है कि 0 से लेकर 250 तक कलर का कोड होता है. आपने देखा भी होगा. वेब डिजाइन डेवलप कर दिया. Yes. So actually we are using color image. So you will have B, G, R format. Yes or no? Yes. So this is B. It can also have 0 to 255. It can also have 0 to 255, and it can also have 0 to 250. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So according to this, the numpy array will be created, and the image will be stored in the numpy format. Clear, everyone?
Yes.
Yes. So if you want to print, you can just print. You can just use print function and write the image along. So you will get a numpy array. I will show you. Okay. Next, since by default the color is what? BCR. Now you are clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So basically by default in OpenCV or any, if you are using Python or if you are using any Python library, so by default the color format is BCR. It may be OpenCV or face recognition, there will be BCR. Clear? So we have to convert this format inside into the standard form that is called RGB. Yes sir. So that's why we will use convert color function. हम लोग क्या यूज करेंगे यहाँ पे? Convert color function, that is CBT color. ये function है basically. Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
But ये function किसका है बताओ?
OpenCV.
तो हम यहाँ पे कहीं पे OpenCV यूज करेंगे और कहीं पे face recognition यूज. और जहाँ पे लेकिन मोस्टली हम कोशिश करेंगे जहाँ पे face recognition में यूज करना हो, we will use face recognition. Clear? So basically this will convert this image into RGB format. So tell me that you want to store that file or that value in another name or same variable, because this is the same variable or same image. That's why we will use same variable. You can take another name also, but these are the both are same, but format is different only. So that's why we are using CBT. Clear?
So
and yes,
CBT is a class which contains the OpenCV.
CBT is module or
Modular
CBT
class.
is module or you can say library. Class is different thing. So in a module there may be class also, there may be function also. Clear? So basically right now this CBT is module.
OpenCV is a class.
OpenCV is a library. In that library there may be class also, there may be functions also. So if you are using class, it means that suppose you are using cascade classifier. You have used cascade classifier function here. That is a class. Or inside that class there is many functions that we have used here. Multi-detection functions.
We use CBT.CBT color. It means CBT is a class and CBT color is a function.
CBT is just library right now. CBT is just a library. And in this library, there are so many functions. So just you have used C programming. How you are accessing the printer function, scanner function, because after including has include stdio.h, just like similarly this is a so that is the concept in C or C++. But right now in Python this is right. So if you want to get all the information, just Google it and then this is tell you. Okay. So right now just focus on this. So now see, yes. Audio is not working. Don't worry, my screen is working, my audio is working, and my camera is also working. Just listen to me. So this is the first part. This is first part. So I have taken the first image and we have converted in the RGB format. Similar way, we will convert the test image also. So first we will load the test image and we will convert this in RGB format. So you can use same mechanism for the test image as well as train image. Clear, everyone? Yes. Just type if you are having laptop, you can just type it. Yes. So there is yes. How to update there is a code, upgrade code. Just you can use. I will use it. Terminal also. So there is installation problem. So just remove your Python and then reinstall it. Okay, so just let me see this part is the code. So just listen to me. Yes. Yes. BGR image. This file we are converting. So there is no function inside face recognition to convert the color. Okay. There is no any function to convert the color format in face recognition. That's why we are using.
Network problem.
That's why I have taught you the OpenCV also and face recognition also. Clear? So just you are using face recognition. Project working on face recognition project. So whatever you have to recognize the face, you have to compare the faces, you have to import the faces. That's why you use face recognition. And after that, if you are in another this color, you are changing the color, then you will use OpenCV. So OpenCV is not just for this project only. It is a vast topic. You can use in any project, even machine learning, deep learning also. In many things you can use. When you want to convert the color, you want to resize the image.
किया यार
What happened? Okay, just okay. So just see. So let me complete first, then you can ask any question. Clear? Otherwise, we will lose the flow of this class. Just one minute. So this is the first way. हमने पहले ट्रेन इमेज लिया, उसका कलर चेंज किया, देन हमने क्या किया, टेस्ट इमेज लिया, कलर चेंज किया. Clear everyone? Yes, so now see. In a single image, there may be multiple faces or not. Suppose you are taking group photos. Yes or no? You are going somewhere and you are taking some selfie. So there may be many faces. If you are taking a selfie with two friends, yes or no? So in that case, this face location function will return all the face locations. Suppose this is the image. Clear everyone? Yes. And this is the person one face, person two face, person three face. So this will have location. This will also have location. This will also have location. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And these all things will be stored. So location of first face, location of second face, location of third face will be stored in the. It will return this function will return all the functions. So it will return, just like it. So first location, second location value, third location value, and like this, and this is the form of numpy. Yes, list or no list. It will return just like list or numpy. You can see. Clear? So just see here. So tell me, this is 0 index value.
Yes.
Yeah. 1 index value. Yes. 2 index value. So when you are using multi-face image, then it will return like this because locations are there. Yes, sir. It will return all the face locations in a face block. But remember that. So suppose if you have joined in any company and they ask for attendance and they ask for the passport size images. So then which image you will provide? Single face image or multi face image? Single face image you will provide, or your only the image in which you are alone. Which face you will provide? So single face. So it means that the train image will be what? Train image will be have only one face.
Yes.
And that will be stored in the zeroth location. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That's why I have used 0. And this will be stored in this variable only. So now you will have face location value, face log value like this. Clear? And always yes.
OpenCV is secure or not?
OpenCV is
Secure or not?
Why you are asking this question? Just tell me first. What is the reason of asking this question? So what you are going to do? Then you are going to use it in Android application. Then how you can say it is a secure or not? When that security purpose is that when you are using website, you are creating website with the help of OpenCV, but we can't do it. Yes, sir. You are going to create application, we can't do it. So then why you are asking? We are using these things in machine learning, deep learning only, and that thing will be deployed with the help of Android, with the help of web applications. So that is another thing. So if you will ask, web development is secure, Android is secure, then I will say yes or no. Okay. So this is the internal part. This is the internal part. So you will not use this for the web development, or that's why it is not secure or secure. This is not a concern. Okay. Yes. Okay. So just yes. Images. So ठीक है. So you are using face recognition first. Yes, sir. You are using face recognition. So just whatever you want to do, you will first recognize the face. You will first get the face, and then you will match with the database. Yes, sir. And then if this is matching, then you want to perform some work, some task. So suppose this is the first image, second image. So you want that if all these images will be matched, then you can store the time, date, name of the person, image of the person for attendance purpose. So first you have to take the image on. क्योंकि देखो जब डेटाबेस में पहले अपना इमेज रखोगे तभी तो तुम कैमरे के सामने आओगे तो बाद में रिकॉग्नाइज कर पाएगा. चेंज करना तो होगा ना उसे, हमें उसको बताना होगा ना कि हमारे डेटाबेस में ये लोग हैं, हमारी कंपनी में ये लोग हैं. तो पहले इमेज तो लेना होगा आपका. देन आप तुम कैमरे के सामने आओगे, अटेंडेंस वाला जो कैमरा है उसके सामने आओगे, देन खड़े हो जाओगे, अटेंडेंस आपका रिकॉर्ड कर लेगा. तो आप जो अभी खड़े हुए हो, आपके फेस को किससे मैच करेगा? डेटाबेस में जो आपका इमेज उससे मैच करेगा. इसीलिए हम यहाँ पे लोड कर रहे हैं, इमेज को लेंगे तभी तो काम करेगा ना वो. बट अभी हम कैमरे का यूज नहीं कर रहे हैं, अभी हम कैमरे का यूज नहीं कर रहे हैं. अभी हम दोनों इमेज, जो हमारा ट्रेन इमेज होगा और टेस्ट इमेज होगा, दोनों हम सिस्टम से ही ले रहे हैं. फिर नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम बताएंगे कैसे इसको लेते हैं. ऑलरेडी मैंने ये बता भी रखा है कैसे हम रिकॉर्ड करते हैं वीडियो. यस सर. तो उसको कंबाइन करेंगे नेक्स्ट क्लास में. अभी बस समझना है टेस्ट रिकॉग्निशन कैसे वर्क करता है. क्लियर? और बीजीआर वाला मैं टास्क तुमको देता हूं, ठीक है ना? क्योंकि देखो पूछना सही है, तुम अपने एंड से पढ़ के आना, मुझे बताना नहीं आ फिर मैं बताता हूँ. ये सबको मैं टास्क दिया, मैं अगले क्लास में पूछूंगा आपको. क्लियर है? ताकि आप भी थोड़ा सा रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट करें. कोई दिक्कत? तो फोकस करते हैं पहले इस पे.
सब मैं गॉट.
यस. तो देखो ये लोकेशन अब हमको यहाँ पे ये इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है. यहाँ पे अब ये लोकेशन जो देगा वो किसका देगा? केवल एक फेस का, क्योंकि हमारे इमेज में क्या एक ही फेस है ना, इसलिए हमने 0 लिया है. वो कहाँ पे स्टोर है? ये जो एक लिस्ट रिटर्न करेगा या एक नंबर एरे रिटर्न करेगा, बेसिकली लिस्ट ऑफ एरे जनरेट करेगा वो। इसमें पहली पोजीशन पे क्या होगा, फर्स्ट फेस का, सेकंड फेस का, थर्ड। तो सिंस हमारे इमेज में एक ही फेस है ना, आपका हमने पासपोर्ट साइज फोटो लिया होगा, यस और नो, उसमें एक ही इमेज है ना, तो एक इमेज है तो एक फेस होगा, और एक फेस होगा तो वो कहां पे स्टोर होगा, जीरो इंडेक्स पे। क्लियर यहाँ पे? यदि आप जीरो नहीं भी दोगे तो क्या होगा उस केस में, यहाँ पे मल्टीपल वैल्यू स्टोर होगी, यानी ये हो जाएगा एरे ऑफ एरे बन जाएगा। अभी क्या है, वो केवल एरे रहेगा, ओनली एरे।
Then it will store the
Multi-phase.
of every phase present in the
Yes. But currently we are using zero. Okay. So now see how it will locate the face first. Suppose this is the image. Clear? And your face is there. Clear? And then this is the face location. So in OpenCV, how it can pass, it can return the values x-axis, y याद है आपको? इस फेस OpenCV में हमने कैसे किया था? Just like this is x, y, h and w. Now you are clear, right? From last test, yes sir. So this is height, width, and then you have to draw the rectangle. Then what we use? This coordinate and this coordinate. So this is x plus w, and this is what? Y plus h. Yes sir. Clear everyone? So now similarly, it gives like this. So first it will give you the top value. This is the right value. This is bottom value, and this is left. So this is different thing. यहाँ पे आपको coordinate मिलता है, first coordinate, and then height and width. Then आप find करते हो. But यहाँ पे हमें क्या मिलता है, कुछ इस तरह से location. Top, right, bottom, left. So in this face lock variable, you will have first top, then right, then bottom, and then left. Here.
Yes.
And as you know, top will be at 0th location, 1 location, 2 location, second and third location. In 0 index, 1 index, 2 index, 3. Yes. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So just don't ask question right now. Just let me complete first. Okay. Sometimes if you are absent from last classes, then you have many questions. So first you have to be regular. Otherwise you will ask question in every step. What is this is what is this is what is this is like. So just see, this is the location purpose. So next one. Okay, just skip this line first. Then now come to this point. So basically we have located the face. Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
We have axis of face location. Now we want to draw the rectangle on that location. मान लो हमारे चेहरे पे जो है क्या है, इमेज में रेक्टेंगल ड्रॉ करना है, ये फेस लोकेशन वो सही है नहीं, बस चेक करता है। ऐसे तो वो लोकेट कर रखा है, उसे लोकेशन भी इसमें स्टोर हो चुका है, पर हमें देखना है वो जो लोकेशन क्या सही है या नहीं। तो कैसे चेक करेंगे उसको? रेक्टेंगल ड्रॉ करेंगे चेहरे पे, ठीक है। तो इसी डेटा को यूज करेंगे रेक्टेंगल ड्रॉ करने के, और यदि वो सही जगह होगा तो ड्रॉ हो जाए और उस स्पेस के अंदर आ जाए। सो दैट्स व्हाई वी आर यूजिंग दिस। सो rectangle function we have already used in OpenCV.
Yes.
So if you want to draw rectangle, so first you have to give the image on which you want to draw rectangle. Here, then this is x, this is y, this is x plus w, and this is y plus w. Yes sir. So now tell me, what is x? So this is L and T. Yes or no? This is x was. What is this? This coordinate will be what? R and B. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
होगा या नहीं होगा?
Yes, sir.
किसी को डाउट है इसमें तो बताओगे प्लीज। x plus w. ये OpenCV में हमने ऐसे किया था, इसलिए मैं लिखा हूँ x plus y plus h होगा ये। जब x plus w का मतलब ये हुआ, जब OpenCV में यूज करते हो ना, लोकेट करते हो, फेस लोकेट करते हो, तो आपको यहाँ का कोऑर्डिनेट देता है, स्टार्टिंग कोऑर्डिनेट देता है और साथ में हाइट देता है और विड्थ देता है, हाइट एंड विड्थ देता है। तो हमें रेक्टेंगल ड्रॉ करना होता है तो हम इसका कोऑर्डिनेट देते हैं और इसका कोऑर्डिनेट देते हैं, ठीक है, वो रेक्टेंगल ड्रॉ करते हैं। तो ये बताओ मुझे, यदि हम इसका कोऑर्डिनेट हमें निकालना है और हम पे पता है ये पूरा x है और ये क्या है w है, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, ये पूरा क्या है y है और ये h है, होगा या नहीं होगा? सिमिलरली मैं पूछूं इसका कोऑर्डिनेट क्या होगा, तुम क्या बोलोगे, x और t, lt होगा या नहीं होगा? मैं पूछूं इसका कोऑर्डिनेट बताओ, इधर से बताओ, r और d मिल जाएगा हमें, यही होगा ना। तो पहले इसका लोकेशन कोऑर्डिनेट फिर इसका कोऑर्डिनेट, तो बताओ इसका कोऑर्डिनेट हम कैसे देंगे, मुझे l और t होना चाहिए वहां पे, तो l कैसे निकालोगे बताओ इससे, क्या होगा, l तुम्हें चाहिए ना, l का वैल्यू दैट इज x, तो l कैसे निकालोगे, फेस लॉग ऑफ 3, यस और नो, देखो फेस लॉग 3 है क्या यहाँ पे,
यस सर,
इसके बाद t चाहिए ना तुम्हें y के जगह पे, फेस लॉग ऑफ 0, ये फर्स्ट कोऑर्डिनेट हो गया आपका, इस पोजीशन का हो गया, इस पोजीशन, क्लियर। अब इस पोजीशन पे आता है कॉमा, फिर क्या होगा बताओ,
फेस
लॉग ऑफ r, तो r क्या है वहां पे, 1 पोजीशन पे होगा, ये 2 पोजीशन पे होगा, क्लियर है यहाँ पे,
यस,
एंड देन you have to use color, in which color you want to draw rectangle, so that is the color. So by default you know this is always BCA, yes, always BCA by default, okay. So then b value and r value, clear. So this is the color combination of purple, clear. So if you want to draw in red color, then you have to write like this, 0 0 2 5. If you want to draw in blue color, then 255 0 0. I think you are clear now.
yes,
From last yes,
yes,
okay. So we have got the location and we have created the rectangle on that location. Yes or no?
yes.
I will show you. Now tell me what is the purpose of encoding, anyone?
So how
I
we
think
will match the
Somebody asked
picture?
this question, yes, matching purpose. So basically just see. Face recognition algorithm, just recognize the faces. So how you will differentiate between the faces, just tell me. With the properties or the features of the faces. What are the features? This is the features of your face. Eyebrow, nose, mouth, eyes. These are the features. You see? They are, and there's so many, you know, so many edges are drawn.
So 120.
जब वो जो आपके फेस रिकॉग्नाइज करता है, वो आपके फेस का मैं दिखा दूंगा कभी आपको, वो बहुत सारे एजेस ड्रॉ करता है, यहाँ से कटिंग करके बहुत सारा उसका अपना स्मार्टफोन होता है, वो ड्रॉ करता है एजेस ड्रॉ करता है, वही उसके क्या है फीचर्स, और उसके करस्पॉन्डिंग वो कितने वैल्यूडेट करता है, वो 128 वैल्यूडेट करता है, यानी वो आपके फेस का भी 120 वैल्यू होगा, हमारे फेस का भी होगा, उसके फेस का भी होगा, और मान लो बहुत ज्यादा स्पॉट है उसके फेस का भी होगा, यस सर,
Yes, sir.
so basically each and every image corresponding to the each and every image they will store 128 value, that is the feature of the face, clear. And when you will compare the faces, then that encoding will be used, not the faces or not the numpy values, they will use encoding value, that's why we are using encoding. So when you will give the image, or suppose you are using multi-face image or group image or group selfie image, you know, in that case there may be more than one faces, so it will store the encodings of all faces, clear everyone? Yes. It will store the value of all faces in list of list, means, or you can say multi-array, so just list or list, just like first, second, and there will be.
So, but now only one faces record is recorded,
Yes,
no?
that's why it will be stored in the 0th location.
Yes.
Then I have given 0, because in my image there is only one image. Clear? Not image.
One person.
One face is there. Yes. and that will be stored in the encoding.
So if there will be many phases, then also it will store only one phases. No,
No. Then just you have to
that
do this.
comes on the zeros position.
So you are taking one by one. You are taking one by one. Then you will use this for this thing. But
I am
you are-
not taking one by one. I have given a peak
Yes.
to the function.
Yes.
And it returns that
If
one
you are
peak on the
using image in which there are 4 persons are there. Okay. So it means 4 cases will be there.
yes, sir.
In that case, you just remove this. Just remove this. Okay. And it will return list of list.
I don't want to remove. I want to that zeroth position which
It means
is
it
comes.
means also it will store the first
First.
place. So
That is
suppose
fine.
you are in the second place then. So
And it
according
does
to
not-
that, you have to
that
give
does
the
not work.
index tag. Suppose somebody is not giving the passport size photograph. He will say that I will only give the group photo because I don't want to, forget my friends. That's why. Yes, sir. In that case, you will have to say that C is middle person is my picture. That's why. So in that case, suppose you are at the second place, that you have to use 0, 1. So it means that it will only give the value of this person encoding, and this will be stored in the encoder. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So this is the possible. Now tell me, this is done for the first image only. No?
Yes, sir.
Now you have to use this same process for the
Second.
next image only. So what you will do? You will just change the
Copy the thing and change the name.
इमेज टेस्ट क्या दूसरे इमेज के लिए कर रहे हैं ना यहाँ पे हमें क्या करना है जैसे एवरीवन क्योंकि अभी हमने इमेज के लिए किया था अब हम टेस्ट के लिए करने वाले हैं यहाँ भी चेंज करना है यहाँ भी चेंज करना है और यहाँ भी चेंज करना है but if you are using different image then you have to use different variable also
Yes, sir.
otherwise this will be overridden by the
Absolutely.
so in that case, you have to use face log, just write test. This is different variables. This is different variable, and this is different. Clear, everyone? So
Yes.
this is the process of what? So just let me show you.
Sir, time is going to left.
Okay, so let me complete this last. So we have successfully done what? Including we have this and this.
So we have to
Please.
pass
Last time is
10:50 only.
10:55. Okay. So let's discuss in the next class. Okay.
Yeah.